thank you to Moves for sponsoring today's video. If you've been hit by hard times or need some extra money to pay a bill, got into an accident and needed some extra money to get by, things like that, but you're unable to get an actual loan from a bank because most of what you do is rideshare related or gig related, well, we have an answer to that. So let's talk about Moves. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And today we're going to be talking about a company that is coming around that will be able to help gig workers secure cash advances for when they need them. So if you have some unexpected bills, if you have something that happens that's an emergency and need a little bit extra money to get by, you can actually get a cash advance because it's geared for rideshare drivers and gig workers. And it's called Moves. So there's a new company called Moves, and it's offering a first of its kind product, which is essentially a centralized hub for all your gig work, which can range from being able to track all of your earnings in one spot, being able to fund certain things if you need access to money, and be able to maximize your gig work. So let's talk about a few of the different features that Moves offers. And if this is something that you want to participate in, then make sure you click the link in the description below. So what is Moves? And this is taken directly from their website, and it says Moves is a financial services platform for independent gig workers, overlooked or ineligible for products offered by traditional financial institutions. This rapidly expanding demographic needs modern financial products designed to support them on their paths to career fulfillment. Without relying on outdated credit scores, our products are designed so that we can get to know our users better over time and help them establish a new financial reputation. So Moves is an all-in-one financial app that serves as the home for your gig business. Members get access to cash advances and can track their income on multiple apps. Now, if you're looking for cash advance, they do have that option, and I'm going to break down exactly what that's going to look like. So if you ever need a little bit extra money for extra bills, if you had an unforeseen expense, anything like that, you can see pretty much exactly what you could get and how it's going to look. So as you can see on the screen right now, it says their cash advance options break down this way. So if you've earned at least $100 over the last 4 weeks, you can get a cash advance of $100. It's going to go up incrementally from there from $250 to $500 to $1,000, which is going to be the max. So now let's actually look at a real world type example so you kind of get a better picture. Now, let's say your car breaks down and you didn't have the extra money to be able to get that expense taken care of. Now, Moves could potentially be the option for you. So let's break it down exactly what it could be. So let's say your car breaks down, you need a starter or an alternator. Depending on the car, it could be easily $1,000. So if you're given the cash advance of $1,000, Moves will take back a total of $1,035 or $103.50 per week for 10 weeks. The actual amount that will be deducted from your bank account as payment will be quoted to you before you accept the cash advance payment. So you're going to know exactly what it's going to look like, and you'll be able to make an informed decision right off the bat if this is going to be something that's going to be worth it for you or not. You'll pay it back weekly, so it's not just $1,035 taken out of your account in one fell swoop, but instead the $103.50 each week. Once you accept the cash advance contract, your weekly payments will remain the same for the length of the contract. Now, what happens if you can't pay that weekly payment? Moves isn't going to charge late fees, but if you miss too many consecutive payments, they may not be willing to give you a cash advance again in the future. And as with any loan, if you can't make the payment, let them know in advance so they can work with you to make sure your account stays in good standing. Now, getting cash advanced isn't guaranteed. It's something that you're going to have to be approved for. Just want to throw that out there. Now, Moves is not just a cash advance program. It's also a way where you can track all of your earnings across all of the gig platforms that you might be working. There's multiple support for different apps, and it's an all-in-one area so you can see exactly where you're making your money, how much you've made, and be able to track a lot of different things right from this app. Now, you'll be able to link all of your accounts together in this app, so you're going to be able to see any goals that you may have, progress, and trends in your earnings. And Moves currently supports the following platforms: an Uber, Amazon Flex, Lyft, TaskRabbit, Postmates, Caviar, Grubhub, Upwork, Doordash, Shipt, Dolly, Wag, Instacart, Fiverr, and Rover. Now, they're also going to have a community tab where you can communicate with other members who are part of this app as well, where you can learn different strategies, help with money, and different gigs that might be in your area that you may not have tried and want to try. So there's a lot of different things when it comes to experiencing a community tab as well and talking with other drivers or gig workers in your particular area. Now, a few of the good things about Moves is it's free to set up an account. So why not have it set up just in case you do need access to money down the road in the event something happens where you're unable to work and bring in an income while you still have bills that need to be paid. Now, if you're not interested or think you're going to use the lending option when it comes to Moves, there's still the ability to put all of your apps together so you can track exactly what's going on with all of your apps in one easy spot. Now, being that it's a brand new company and there are brand new features coming, there's some features that are missing out of it. And over time, they probably will add these features, but feedback is always a great thing and can help get the ball rolling when it comes to more drivers or more gig workers requesting a certain feature within the app. Now, again, if this is something that you're interested in or at least exploring, make sure you check the link in the description below and create your free account today. So that is Moves in a nutshell. And if you want some more information, make sure you click the link in the description below, go over to Moves and check it out. Or if you want to check out the Rideshare Guy article, then click that as well. And you'll be able to see some more information, a little bit more details on this particular platform. And if you like these companies that are coming out that are gig specific, meaning they're going to tailor to gig workers and fulfill certain gaps that unfortunately some other businesses fall short at, like banks, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do, because there's new videos each and every single week that's going to help you become a better rideshare driver, a better gig worker, maximize your earnings, and take advantages of these new platforms and companies that are coming out. All right, everyone, drive safe.